Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe-ICE motherboard. The Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe-ICE motherboard is packed with impressive features that make it a top choice for PC enthusiasts. It supports AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, offering powerful performance for gaming and productivity. One standout feature is its support for DDR5 RAM technology, providing faster and more efficient memory performance. With 4 DIMM slots and Intel XMP memory module support, you can take full advantage of DDR5's capabilities. The motherboard boasts a commanding power design with twin 12+2+2 phases and an 8-layer 2x copper PCB. This ensures stable power delivery and enhances overall system performance. To keep your system running cool, the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe-ICE features a cutting-edge thermal design. The M.2 thermal guard ensures stable VRM power and M.2 SSD performance, even under heavy loads. It's all about speed with this motherboard, thanks to PCIe 5.0 support, PCIe 5.0 NVMe X4 M.2, and front and rear USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports. Enjoy lightning-fast data transfer rates and seamless connectivity options. Gigabyte has made installation a breeze with the Easy Latch feature. PCIe 5.0 and M.2 connectors come with a quick release and screwless design, making upgrades hassle-free. This motherboard doesn't skimp on networking capabilities, featuring 2.5 GB LAN and Wi-Fi 6E. The onboard Bluetooth 5.3 ensures excellent connectivity options. For audiophiles, it offers dynamic audio with high-end audio capacitors for a premium sound experience. Customize your setup with RGB fusion, support for addressable LED, and RGB LED strips. The Smart Fan 6 system and multi-key functions for reset, RGB switch, direct BIOS access, and safe mode provide ultimate control. Q-Flash Plus lets you update the BIOS without installing CPU, memory, and GPU. The Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe-ICE motherboard comes with a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind. With a price point of $229.99, it offers great value for its features. In summary, the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe-ICE motherboard is a powerhouse for PC builders and gamers alike. Its impressive features, including DDR5 support, powerful power design, cutting-edge thermal management, and next-gen connectivity, make it a solid choice. With a 5-year warranty and a competitive price, it's a motherboard worth considering for your next PC build. That wraps up our review of the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe-ICE motherboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.